Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be solving this question right here. And so we've been asked to actually reduce this fraction we are seeing here into simple fractions. Okay, so this is actually a partial fraction, so I'm going to be showing you how you can actually solve problems like this. Okay, but just before we continue, if you are new to our channel, kindly do well to give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel to turn on the notification icon so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. And of course, having done that, we're going to proceed with this video. Okay, what I'm going to do now, let me just repeat the question. This is 10x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 9 all divided by x into 2x squared plus 3. Okay, so I'm just going to form a different fraction right here. Doing that, I will have the first one. I'm going to form a fraction for the first one here. Since the power of x is actually 1, okay, so the power of the denominator, the power of x in the denominator will be 0. Okay, so this is a raised to the power x, and then plus, since the power of x in the second term in the denominator is actually 2, the power of x in the numerator is actually going to be 1. Okay, this is b x raised to the power x, okay, plus c, okay, and then divided by 2x raised to the power 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is how you just go about it. Once you split it this way, you can now go ahead to simplify. And if I do that, I'm just going to be having that my 10 raised to the power x squared plus x plus 9 divided by x into 2x squared plus 3 is equal to, so I'm just going to multiply. So I will use this a to multiply this, and then I'll use this one to multiply this, and then divided by the LCM. Okay, so doing that, I will have a into 2x squared plus 3, okay, and then plus x into b x plus c, all divided by, if I multiply this, that's actually going to form the LCM. Okay, now since the denominators are the same, so I can just equate the numerators and then begin to simplify from there. So doing that, I will have 10x raised to the power 2, okay, plus x plus 9 is equal to a into 2x squared plus 3, okay, plus x into b x plus c. Okay, so this is what I have now. So what I'm going to do next is I will go ahead to open the brackets, and if I do that, I will have 10x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 9 is equal to, so if I multiply through, I will have 2x squared a plus 3a, and then plus bx squared plus cx. Okay, so moving on, I will continue by collecting like terms. Okay, so you can see x squared is here, x squared is here, okay, and I have x here and also the constant, so I'm just going to bring them together. So I have 10x squared plus x plus 9 equal to, so if I factorize x squared here, I'm going to have 2a plus this one b, okay, plus I have cx right here plus 3a, which is actually the constant. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is just to go ahead to equate coefficients. Okay, so you can see x squared is here, and then you can see the coefficient of x here and the coefficient of x squared right here. So I'll just go ahead to equate coefficient. Equating them, I'll have that 2a plus b, which is the coefficient of x squared in the right hand side, is actually equal to 10, which is the coefficient of x squared in the left hand side. Okay, now the coefficient of x here is actually c, and then the coefficient of x here is actually 1. So I've gotten that my c is equal to 1. So for here, 3a is actually the constant, and it is equal to 9, which is the constant on the left hand side. Okay, so you can see here from here that my a will now be equal to 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. Okay, I've actually gotten my C and also gotten my A. So the next thing I want to find is B. Okay, so if I call this equation 1, I will say from equation 1, from 1 above, I can replace A uh, with 3 right here, so that I will be able to get my B. So 2A plus B is equal to 10. I have, since my A is equal to 3, I'll just say 2 into 3, okay, plus B is equal to 10. Okay, now simplifying further, what I'll be having again is that B is that 2 times 3 is actually 6, plus B is equal to 10. So I'll take 6 to this side. I'll have that my B is equal to 10 minus 6, which is right here, and B will be equal to 4. So I have gotten uh the unknown right here, or the constant I introduced. I've gotten all of them. My A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and then C is equal to 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do again is just to go ahead and substitute all of them in this place. That way I'll be able to get my fraction, okay, which is what is expected. And so computing our final answer, we are going to be having 10x squared plus x plus 9 divided by x into 2x squared plus 3 is now going to be, our A is equal to 3 and is over x, and then plus our B is equal to 4x, and then plus our C is equal to 1, okay, and is divided by 2x squared plus 3. So this is actually going to be our final answer. So if you've enjoyed this video, ensure you give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and then of course I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.